Are you ready to take your animations to a whole new level? Imagine being able to make characters disappear behind objects, slice scenes right down the middle, or create seamless action sequences, all with just one powerful tool in drawing cartoons to ape, masking. And a huge shout out to Rose5647 for suggesting this awesome topic. Stick around because by the end of this video you will have the skills to look like a pro animator. So what exactly is masking? Think of it as a tool that allows you to control which parts of a character or object are visible and which are not. Making lets you create the illusion that something or someone is interacting with the environment in a very realistic way. With masking, you are essentially cutting out specific areas of an object or character so it can hide behind things, appear from behind doors, or even pull items out of a pocket, all adding layers of depth to your animation. Let's jump into the drawing cartoons to ape, and I will show you exactly how to set up masking. First, open up the scene you want to animate. Guys, open any of the page, and then guys open the common folder, and here add the square. By clicking the mask button inside the square edit unit, you can define where to mask. If you select the below option above, the subjects that are under the mask will be hidden, and the exactly opposite will happen with the option below, meaning the items on top will be hidden. I will further explain to you how to use this feature. You can now define the specific parts of the object that will be hidden or revealed in your animation. Simple, right? But incredibly powerful. Alright, let's look at some super cool ways you can use masking to enhance your animations. Here are some practical scenarios where masking can make all the difference. Number 1. Masking with doors. Imagine a character walking through a door. With masking, you can make it look like they are actually disappearing behind the door frame rather than just walking past it. It's an amazing way to add realism and making your scenes feel more interactive. Number 2. Action scenes knife stabbing effect. For those of you working on the action sequences, masking is your best friend. Picture a character holding a knife and stabbing towards the screen. Masking allows you to make the knife look like it's penetrating the surface or going through an object. This technique adds a layer of intensity and drama to any action sequence. Before jumping to the third and fourth use of masking, make sure you like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Placing a character behind an object. Number 3. Want to hide a character behind a wall or some other object? With masking, you can artificially or fully obscure your character, creating the illusion that they are lurking or hiding. Perfect for adding suspense to your animations. Number 4. Taking something out of a pocket. Imagine a character reaching into their pocket to pull out of an object. Masking makes it look smooth and natural, as if the object was really inside the pocket the whole time. This is great for those subtle interactions that make your animations feel more lifelike. Now let's talk about the benefits of mastering masking. There's a lot you can gain by learning this technique. Number 1. Stand out as a pro animator. By using masking, you are instantly taking your animation skills to a professional level. When people see your characters interacting with the environment in such realistic ways, they will know you are not just a beginner. Number 2. Add realism and depth. Masking adds the extra level of realism. It makes your animations more engaging and believable, drawing the viewer deeper into the story you are telling. Number 3. Flexibility in storytelling. Masking gives you more creative freedom to tell the story exactly how you envision it. Whether it's hiding characters, creating suspense, or adding action, masking allows you to do things that are just not possible without it. Number 4. Create seamless transitions and effects. Masking is also perfect for smooth transitions between scenes or adding effects that make your animation flow naturally. For instance, you can mask objects to make them fade out or disappear gradually, adding polish to your work. Number 5. Increase engagement and viewer attention. When your animations look more polished and professional, your viewers are more likely to stick around, watch till the end, and even share your videos. The more they are getting engaged, the more successful your animations will be. Now, if you are ready to level up even further, don't miss out any other videos of mine, like how to download Ben 10 characters, Skibidi Toilet, horror packs, or even main spider in DC2. And if you want to master drawing cartoons from the basics to advanced, and I have a full course available in Hindi and English. The links in the description. Keep animating, keep creating, and I will see you in the next one.